I am Shane, Advanced Engineering Leader in Thermo King, and we are part of Cobotics Skillnet. Thermo King is a world-leading manufacturer of transport refrigerators. Thermo King has been in Galway for 46 years. We've a site here of about 25,000 square metres. We've about 650 employees. As a company, we can't stay still. We have to constantly evolve, and digital transformation, advanced manufacturing, Industry 4.0 is coming at us. It's here. The challenge is the people aren't there that you're looking for with this skill set.
I'm Dermot, Network Manager of Cobotics Skillnet. The biggest challenge facing Cobotics Skillnet member companies is lack of skills in the technical space. Those technical skills are being demanded from every jurisdiction in the world, so we're competing for talent all over the world. The mission of Cobotics Skillnet is to boost robotic and automation density in Ireland. Dealing with an industry-led problem that engages the third level education and Skillnet Ireland in terms of the funding model is a perfect solution to delivering on skill shortages, including upskilling and cross-skilling of employees in Ireland.
Working with Cobotics Skillnet, we were able to benchmark with other companies, normalise it that they all had the same challenge as well. We worked with Atlantic Technological University, developing courses in advanced manufacturing, automation and robotics. Our employees are very interested. They see it as a lot of opportunities for development into the future, for progressing the career paths that maybe they wouldn't have thought of before.
These days, as an automation technician, you would expect to have a good proficiency with mechanical and electrical as a given. If you've got software, that's great. It's very difficult to get people with all three attributes. Hence why I'm on the programmes, because I need to become more proficient with software, which means you can walk into any problem really, and most automation systems, and make an implementation, an intervention, and then get it back online again, and that's what it's really all about.
As we transfer from mechanical architecture to electronic architecture, we can actually upskill a lot of our people in the maintenance team, the engineering teams, that they could actually become the people that will support our advanced manufacturing strategy into the future.
The impact of Cobotics Skillnet training interventions has been the difference of organisations having manual processes to now having fully automated processes. That makes a huge difference. And the upskilling and the cross-skilling of its existing employees, that their jobs might have been taken over by automation, has now increased them into technicians to engineers of different levels. So you've got a whole cross-pollination of people driving the organisation forward as they adopt new technologies into their processes.
But we're already seeing the benefits. So we're less dependent on solution providers, we're less dependent on our traditional partners, we're more capable of sustaining and keeping things in production ourselves.
The demand for Cobotics Skillnet-led training will continue, and Cobotics Skillnet has been very, very successful over the last 5 years in delivering targeted intervention. A lot of our strategy going forward is to continue to do that.
Working with Cobotics Skillnet for us into the future is twofold. One, we'd like to continue the benchmarking, visiting other sites, seeing the challenges they've faced and solved so we can learn from it and hopefully not have to reinvent the wheel. Secondly, we hope for continued support as things evolve. Technology is always changing. We need to continue that into the future to make sure that we're always ready with people, not with processes or products. We have the people here that can evolve and that can take on any challenge and solve it.